Welcome to Pitbike. Huh? No. Welcome to Pitbike Ventures number 2. The first one I did that. It's that now. So we're gonna go exploring. Something happened over there. Don't really care. Let's go ride. Yeah. Let's start this Pitbike up. There we go. Put my visor down. Try not to break anything. It's nice and symmetrical. Perfect. Let's go. There we go. Go down here, come back around, then I'm going to go that way. So, start to do that. Let's go fast. Problems. That old lady, she's most likely going to be calling the cops. So I'm gonna get back here, and I'm gonna go out around the place where I usually go out. So sand, and I got slick in the back, which isn't very good for sand, and I like to slip out a lot. I would know, because it's my bike and I ride it a lot. I'm gonna go ride over there real quick, doing around. Oh, I thought that was a huge hole. Probably was. I'll see the recording. I like to avoid any hole I can avoid, because pretty good goals with the mini bike. You know, he's around 140 pounds, right? So, and the bike is like 70 pounds. So, and then he's going like 40, you know, going to 212cc Predator. It screws up the forks really bad. I'm sure this isn't legal at all. No cops, though, which is good. No cops is always good. They don't really like me riding around here, but I'm not doing anything to the land because I can't really tear it up or anything because I don't have a 450cc dirt bike. I mean, like 100cc two-stroke could really rip it up anyway, but this thing with me on it being 100 something pounds, I'm not over 110 though, like I'm showing it in the light phase. But the way they cut the grass really sucks until you get like over there, then it really sucks. Like the layers. So oh, that's a big impact. Okay, the bad ones are coming up soon. There they are. My suspension's always bottoming out because this bike is made for like 7-year-olds. So in fact, they say 16-year-olds, but they mean for sure. For not so tall people and not so heavy people. Up here. Come on, but yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I like a nice. I like a nice struggle for my bike. Levy right here, so it's not very legal at all. The only thing I'm doing place is legal, so I'm gonna just chill around and then don't touch anything I'm not supposed to touch, like all this machinery which I want to touch. Big freaking trucks over here I would love to just take a picture of, but I tried before and this old guy keeps being in the ditch. I was about to slip, but John's gonna be watching this. First and that second. Of course I can make it up in seconds. It ain't nothing. Alright. See if I can make it up in a second on this side. Oh. There's the question. Of course you can make it up in a second. What am I talking about? Machine. Besides, like low throttle, like low RPM instances, like no torque. You can't just like blip it and pull it up at all. So when you need the torque, it has it. It just needs the grip. I'm gonna go in the freaking sand freaking over here and see how really sketchy it can get. I don't like this, there could be spiders. I don't like spiders. Take it easy down this in case there's gonna be any cops pulling up, which I highly think there's going to be, because cops usually love this place because people they bring out their go-karts kind of thing. They like to watch them sometimes. If you do anything illegal. I ain't recording anymore. I already know. Don't look there. I ran out of data already. Let me check. I got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to get home. 3 minutes of recording. I better start hauling. But just broke me so hard. I'm standing up a bit to get rid of the clunkiness of shocks. Because the shocks of this thing, as I said before, suck. Alright, nobody's coming, go. I'm coming home. Let's go home. Really throaty here. I like it. Here we go. Maybe ask why I'm not going on the street, because this thing is not registered whatsoever. Something like Motobro or whatever his name is, doing his little pit bike adventures, and then he got a super moto. He got that thing registered. I'm like, And since I'm in a certain state, cannot get a motorcycle license until you are 18, which really sucks because I love riding and it's just such a fun thing to do. I do it whenever I have spare time and whenever I'm over at my dad's, because it's just always fun to do this, minus the cops trying to catch you all the time part. Well, that's only because I'm not driving a legal vehicle and I'm usually most of the time on the street, breaking all the laws, cutting people off, going over the speed limit. Yeah, going over the speed limit on this thing. Speed limit on the street over here is either 25 or 35, I don't remember. But I usually max this thing out around 43 miles per hour. So, I need to start getting home quick. I don't know if I'm in my safe place yet. If I'm in the safe area. Yes, I am. If I pass this month up, I can trip. There's no hole. I made sure to make sure. I should be is the 28th, 27th, I don't freaking, yeah, 27th. So, I'm to be getting my four-wheeler, which is my Christmas present for my dad, tomorrow, or if I'm really lucky, today. And I'll be recording that too. So, I'm almost home. Get out the way! Oh my god, these ducks. These chickens. That's Dylan. That's who I'm buying the four-wheeler from. Come here, just there! Woo! That's my dude, Dylan. That's who I'm buying the four-wheeler from. Am I in neutral, or is my gear... Yeah, my gearbox is deceiving me. I hate this thing sometimes. Alright. Done.